guys, so I'm with Jojan.
Hi.
She's from Raya, and she's the marketing head for Raya. And she's going to be taking us what's in it for this hyperbaric chamber.
Yes. So hyperbaric chamber is a chamber designed to mimic like the ones we experience on the plane. So there's a high pressure. It's 100% oxygen being delivered to your body. So your cells will receive the vital amount of oxygen that it needs. So you feel less tired, you are more energized, and if you have inflammation, it will lessen. And if your post-operation or procedure, you will have more fast healing. So that's it.
So it's great for like people with allergic rhinitis.
Yes.
And people with kaka-opera lang. Is
Mm-hmm.
it advisable na dapat walang makeup when you go inside the chamber?
No, actually you can go there. Just remove the metals that you have, and then you can actually bring your phone inside. So you can listen to the iPad or watch movie while you're in the chamber. Four or ano lang, yung PSI na normal.
Normal natin is
Yes.
only 4.
So inside, you will feel like you were inside a plane.
So merong ear popping.
Yes. So we suggest the patient to chew gum, mimic the chew. And then it will relieve the pressure inside.
I see. So do you have any like people na parang suki in this chamber?
Yes, actually we have volleyball players, football players, basketball players and volleyball players. They like this because they said that they are more energized now. And then while they're training, muscle pains, joint
Body
pains.
sores.
Yes.
Okay.
This is their favorite.
Oh my.
And the athletes infusion.
Marami pa naman ang sakit-sakit. May back hurts and all.
Yes. So actually, pag gumagamit ka nito, one session is not really enough.
Yeah.
Because preventive measures, it takes time. And then you don't really see the results. You will just realize it when you were older. So compared to your age, people your age, you will be younger physically and this is good for autism, ADHD.
Oh wow.
Yes. Studies show that they have treatment effect to patients with autism and ADHD.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yes, because they deliver oxygen to the brain. Like an example, may aesthetic procedure kami. So after that, we offer 30 minutes free hyperbaric oxygen. This is to kasi hasten the healing process. Yun.
Okay. So do you go in here with fully clothed naman or naka-robe or what?
We change the patient into robes. Yes.
Okay.
Para kasi medyo sometimes patients who are a bit chubby or has fat, they tend to sweat inside.
So how much would it cost for one session?
For one session, usually it's 2,250. That's 45 to 1 hour. Depends on how long you choose, but we advise that you use the 1 hour to maximize it. A session, 8 sessions, 1 free.
Oh.
So they prepay and then they just come anytime they want, and they're free. So they just schedule an appointment so that there would be less traffic, and then we can accommodate them really well.
How to be barefoot?
When ilan na po natin siya na medyo masak sa ears kasi parang maraming medyo papasok.
Okay. The head is here?
Yes.
Okay. Kakatawa. Okay.
This is kung may kailangan kayo.
Okay. Bye guys, after 1 hour.
Receive na po. Ma'am, saan po? Sa Luna, yes, sa Bureau. Okay na ma'am. I-close ko na ma'am.
If you want to try the Hyperbaric oxygen treatment for free, Join me this Saturday at Raya's Global Wellness Day. I'll put the registration details down below through the description box so you can try the Hyperbaric oxygen treatment for free.
Okay naman? Start na po tayo. Ayan. Start na tayo naman.
So this will, it goes next if you up and then it will like inflate as the oxygen goes here. So this is the gauge for the pressure. And then this is like the release pump.
Pop out.
Yes. When it's done, just push and then it will inflate.
And that's the thing you can open.
Yes. So like 45 to an hour.
Hey guys, so I'm actually inside the oxygen chamber. I will be here for 1 hour and they just zipped me up. In here, you have to be wearing yung robe nila. You have to remove all your clothes. You have to be barefoot. Tapos, you have to remove all the metal from your body. So, walang jewelry. Oh my god, meron pang isang metal dito. I hope that's fine. Let me just remove that para sure nakakatakot kung ano yung effect niya. So, anyway, I will be here for 1 hour. The treatment is great for people who have just undergone a surgery. So, it's great for healing. It's great for you to have more oxygen in your body. So, nakakatulong siya for cell regeneration. It also helps you look younger. And, yun lang. It's great if you do this once a week. They have, like, promo packages wherein you get more discounts if you avail yung package niya. So, I can already feel yung ear popping. Kasi it mimics your feeling pag nasa airplane ka. Kasi it's gonna control the pressure from inside. Meron siyang pressure gauge sa labas. So, when you hear that, yung ear popping, you just have to swallow. Yung parang the act of swallowing para mag-reset yung pressure. Okay. Ayan. So, kailangan lumulunok ako from time to time. Let me just show you how it looks like in here. Ayan. So, ito yung window na pwede mo makita yung mga tao sa labas. And then, here is the chamber. They actually zipped me up kanina. And, ayan. Medyo mahaba siya and medyo spacious. This is like enough for one person. And then, here I am. And so, I was told by Jojan, the marketing head of Raya, na some people can get sweaty, especially if medyo mataba sila or if they have fat. Kaya, it's important that they change in the robe para for hygienic purposes. Tsaka they also change the sheets pag masyado na siyang basa-basa. So, it's very comfortable. Meron pa siyang pa-blanket, fleece blanket. It's really nice. I'm not sure though if they can hear me from outside, but I have to swallow from time to time because my ears are really popping. So, if ayaw nyo yung feeling na yun when nasa airplane kayo yung parang nababara yung ears, you're gonna be experiencing a lot of that in here. Ako, I'm fine with that. So, yun lang. I will be here for an hour. I hope it helps my pimples because oxygen is really amazing for your pimples and inflammation. So, I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I'll see you later. So after my hyperbaric oxygen treatment, I was ushered to the next room for me to get my vitamin infusion drip. Hey, so for today we are trying out the vitamin infusion of Raya Wellness. I'll be having vitamin C and vitamin B because I feel like I need vitamin B to strengthen my nerves and vitamin C for immunity. So let's wait for them to set it up.
Would you mind to line them? It's okay
Sige.
for you.
Okay. Should I remove my
Yeah,
shoes?
sure, no problem.
Sige, wait.
More. Okay, more.
By doing this, the vitamins and minerals bypass your GI tract and go straight to your bloodstream for maximum absorption. This allows the nutrients to nourish your body at cellular level.
Okay, release your hands. Okay. Okay,
Hindi man ako takot sa needles. Go lang.
Hindi na. Slowly mo na naman tayo. Okay.
So I'm here at Raya. I'm still having my vitamin infusion. They gave me double dose. I'm really excited for that. I'm having vitamin D and vitamin C. And you only have to do this once a week, I think, or twice a month. Parang ganun, para you get your optimum vitamins inside your system. Please keep in mind to go to a reputable clinic to have your IV drip because too much of it can also cause complications. Okay. So it's almost done.
Yep.
Yay.
Okay, ma'am. Ganyan mo, ma'am.
Itaas.
Hindi ganito.
Ah, okay.
Ganito. Yan. Sige po.
Ganyan pala.
Yan.
Yay, so I'm finally done with my vitamin infusion.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ate.
Oo, sige.
Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!